Let me catch my breath. This is really hard. If I start to look like I'm sweating, well, it's 'cause I am. I'm not good with words, but that's nothing new. Still, I have to try to explain what I want to do with you. With you. Run away with me. Let me be your ride out of town. Let me be the place that you hide. We could make our lives on the go. Just run away with me. Texas in the summer is cool. We'll be on the road like Jack Kerouac. Looking back, Sam, you're ready, let's go. Anywhere. Get the car packed and throw me the key. Run away with me. Sam, I know it's fast, love with you. Sam, it's crazy, but Sam, I'm crazier for you. I have these plans, Sam, I have these plans of a house that we'll build on a bay when we run away. Let me be right out of town. Let me be the place that you hide. We can make our lives on the go. Run away with me. Mississippi Heat, here we come. Like our country song, won't be long. Sam, we're ready, let's go. Anywhere. Get the car packed and throw me the key. Run away with me. I'm not trying to make you a wife here. I'm not trying to tie you down. I'm just saying there might be a life as soon as we run. Let me be a ride out of town. Let me be the place that you hide. We can make our lives on the go. Just run away with me. Texas in the summer is cool. Romeo is calling for Juliet. Ready, set, Sam, we're ready, let's go. Run away with me.